નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, so here is question number 2 is given. In the adjoining figure, P parallel Q, find the unknown angles. This one is the symbol of parallel. This one is the symbol of parallel. Right? So P parallel Q, find the unknown angles. This means this one is figure and find the unknown figure using the angles of pairs properties. So dear student, first of all, this figures to you draw one more times ताकि आपको easy रहे. इस तरह से मैं ड्रॉ करता हूं यहां पे. Here is given. This one is P, this one is Q. इस फिगर को मैंने इस तरह से ड्रॉ किया है, right? Then after this one is given here E, here is 125, and here is F. Okay? Same for the here. In this way. Here is A, B, C, and D. So this one is our figure. ये जो इस तरह से थी उस ने मैंने इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर दी. अंडरस्टैंड? आप भी इस तरह से ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. Now see this figure and find the unknown angles. This one is the unknown angles में A, B, C, D, E and F. Right? So first of all we will find our first answer is. So dear students, here is the one straight line. This straight line is to divide into two part. It means straight line to two part. It means this two is the linear pair. This two is the linear pair. So 125 plus F is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair and two angles of the linear pair addition is equal to 180. Now here only F 180 move to this side, it means 125. So F is equal to 180 minus 125, it means 55. So F is equal to 55. F is done. Okay? So F is done. Then E is equal to, so E is equal to also for the 55. Why? Because this one is vertically opposite angles. Yes or no? This two is vertically opposite. आपको सामने सामने दिखाई दे रहे. So this two is vertically opposite. So E is equal to also for the 55. Why? Because this one is vertically opposite angle. चलो. E and F is done. E and F is done it. Now find the value of A, B, C and D. Then how to find? So dear students, here see. Suppose we will start here, this one, then after this one, and then after here in this side. So make a one symbol, and this symbol is a Z sign. Then Z sign is means alternate angle, the pair of alternate angle. So this Z sign included how to F and A. It means F value is given, then A value is also for the 55. Why? Because this one is the pair of alternate angle. Why? Because here make a Z symbol. Understand? So F is equal to A is equal to 55. Why? Because alternate angle. Why? Because this one is alternate angle, alternative angle pair, and alternative angle pair are same. So F is equal to 55, then A is equal to also for the 55. Now A value is fine, then A is equal to 55, then C is equal to also for the 65. A is equal to C is equal to 55, then A is equal to C is equal to 55. Why? Because this one is vertically opposite angle. Why? Because these two is the vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are same. Then A is equal to 55, then C is equal to also for the 65. Now A is done, C is done, E is done, and F is done. Only remaining B and D. Now how to find the B and D? So dear students, here also for the one straight line, see, this one is our straight line, and this straight line is divided into two parts. The straight line is means linear pair, divided into two parts, it means two angle addition is equal to 180 in linear pair. So it means this one is, so A plus D is equal to 180. Why? Because this one is the linear pair and two linear pair addition is equal to 180. We all are know. A value is given. How many? To 55. Plus D is not given. Okay. And this one is 180. Now 55 in this side. Then D is equal to 180 minus 55. D is equal to 125. D is equal to 125. Now D is complete. Okay. D is complete, then B is equal to, so B is equal to also for the 125. Why 125? Because this one is vertically opposite angle. Why? Because this one is vertically opposite angle. So B is equal to also for the 125. Understand? So dear students, if you don't write this way, one more. See, E value is equal to 55. Now find the A value. Then how to find the A value? So see, I make one figure. Here is in this way. Here is A and here is given. Sorry, here is E and here is given A. So symbol is given is here. F. F is means angle, complementary angle. E and A, the complementary angles pair. Understand? And complementary angles pair is same. So E value is equal to 55. Then A value is equal to also for the 55. Here is. Understand? तो आप इस तरह से भी solve कर सकते हो. Same for this one is vertically. If you are C, this one is F and D. So F is equal to 55. Then D is equal to 125. If this one is the pair of interior pair and 2, I would write here. Not 2 interior pair angle addition is equal to 180. This one is the importance. Interior angles pairs property. So not this ones, note it down here. 2 interior angles pair addition is equal to 180. So interior angles pair is means symbol is C, right? C. So in this one is C, F and D. F is equal to 55. These two angles addition is equal to 180. तो आप उस तरह से भी find कर सकते हो. So understand how to find these types of the questions. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.